Beloved, as I had just finished recording my last word that is posted right before this one, I was checking my notifications. My phone was on Do Not Disturb, and I got a text from the airline that I posted about in my community tab. They texted me again talking about this flight that I have never booked. Like, I'm shook. I'm so shook. And it was just confirmation to me that the Lord is opening up doors of opportunity. He is saying, get ready to launch because you are taking off. Glory be to God. Somebody send me some plain emojis in the comment section down below. Glory be to God. You are taking off. Everything that is happening is very strategic. Vacation, windows of opportunity, flying out of the state, flying out of the country. Be prepared for that because these opportunities are vastly, I hear vastly arising in my spirit. So make sure that you're on alert for that. Make sure that you're taking everything back to the Lord, getting that confirmation that you need. Glory be to God. Be prepared. Be ready. This is the moment that it is happening. Glory be to God. Again, if you're not already subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Make sure your bell notifications are turned on. That way you may be notified every time that I post. I love you all so much, and you have a very blessed weekend. All right, I'll see you guys soon.